me, and today I thought we would do a mini haul. Okay, actually this is not mini. I went shopping this weekend. I did some damage. I wanted to show you guys to try to justify my purchases and make myself feel better about them. Or y'all can make me feel worse about them. I don't know. I thought I had a pretty good haul. I'm pretty happy with everything. I mean, I haven't even... Okay, I did. So I have this thing when I go shopping and I buy something and they wrap it up in a really nice box. When I go home, I have to like take a peek, you know, make sure they gave me the right thing. Let's not have what happened last time with the Gucci tights. Okay, it is hot in my room. Ooh, we gonna do this. We gonna turn on the AC. Gonna be a nice 78 in this room. All right, so this past weekend, I went to visit my mother and I really wanted to take her out shopping. I just like spoiling my mom because nobody's ever spoiled me. I'm kidding. When I was a kid, we didn't have much money, but when I wanted something, my mom would work hard and she would try really hard to like surprise me with what I wanted for my birthday, okay? I wanted a dual disc, like the Yu-Gi-Oh dual disc so bad. Casually pulls out Louis Vuitton. I was so upset about it and like she couldn't get it for me for my birthday and then she got it for me when she could. So my mom is just the best and she watches all my videos, so kind of embarrassing. Okay, so let me tell you what this is. I saw this on Instagram. Instagram is a dangerous place, not only for the very unreal expectations of people's pics, but the ads, the shopping ads. So this is where they get me and my friends. But specifically, this is someone I follow, like a personal shopper, posted this bag. And I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. This is for me. And I had to get it. So they gave me this huge box. And when you open it up, it's, I showed this on my story, but I want to show it to you guys again because this is, I love this. This was sold out online. It's been sold out in a lot of stores. So I got really lucky that this store had one and they only had one and your girl got it. I know this is not practical at all, but look how stinking freaking adorable this is. This is the cutest thing I have. Just look at it. Look how small it is. My phone is bigger than this bag. And I've just accepted the fact that my phone will not fit. This is kind of annoying to open. I don't know which button you press. This one kind of sounds like a button, but do you like pull it out? Hello? Okay, oh, so you have to pull this pretty hard to open it. And it's got a nice little interior. It's got some card pouches. Stick your credit cards in there so you can buy some more stupid things. Okay, so it's got a chain. So mini bags are so trendy right now. Like not just like mini bags, because I've been wearing those for years, but like mini that you can't even fit stuff in. Like it's just an accessory. But like I'm the type of person that does not carry many things. I carry my chapstick, my phone, and my wallet. This, however, does not fit my wallet, but it can fit a few credit cards, some cash, chapstick, lipstick. So if you're planning on like holding your phone or putting your phone in your pocket and just having like your credit card, ID, chapstick in your bag, I think it's perfect, especially for like a night out or probably not for errands. I mean, I always have my phone in my hand anyway, so I guess it's fine. It's not for every day. Ugh, especially with my outfit right now. Not gonna lie, I wore this outfit just so it would look cute with this bag right now. Louis Vuitton, I know they have the bigger trunks. They're a clutch, they're more like this big, and they can definitely fit your 8+ in it, and some. But they're expensive too. I think they're like $6,000 for the bigger trunk, and this one was $2,000, so literally a third of the price. And it works out because it's a third of the size. I think the bigger trunk clutch is kind of tacky. This is just more up my alley. I'm leaving this out because I love it. It's going to sit right here. Okie dokie, next up we got another stupid but very cute, amazing purchase from Fendi. This, I saw it in the store, I was like, this is for me. When I say this is for me, it's anything really small or anything furry. This is the latter. It is a Fendi hairband. Is this a hairband? And suddenly I'm a Russian spy. So, Evelyn. So, ever since I saw Angelina Jolie in that movie wearing that fur Russian hat, I was just like, I want to look like that. That look was everything. And ever since then, I love these furry hats. I don't wear them. I want to. Look how extra this is. Not only like the Fendi print, but like it's too much. But will also keep my ears warm, so I will justify this purchase. It's 100 degrees right now, but it's cool enough. We getting into fall and then winter. I get cold very easily, so like I need all the warmth I can get. Next up, I'm mad about this. See, last time I visited visited my mom and we went shopping, I find so many cute things for her and she does not buy them. Like she's just always like, no, it's too much. No, I don't have anywhere to wear it. Like I hate how she will absolutely love something and then lie about not liking it because she'll feel bad. She'll be like, oh, it's too expensive. Like I don't like it when she loves it. And it's so annoying to me. And then I'll buy it for her and she'll be so happy. She'll be like, oh, like I love it. So this jacket, I saw it like a month ago and I was gonna buy it for her. And then she kept saying like, no, I don't want it. And then when I tried to buy it for her this time, it was sold out everywhere in a size small. And they only had a large at the mall. When I looked online, small was sold out everywhere. And I had to buy it off Net-a-Porter and paid more than retail. So I selected the free shipping and then it said my address was wrong and then it took me back and then it put me on the $20 shipping. Y'all made me pay $20 shipping. Like I don't need this next day, but now I have it next day. Anyways, I was mad about that because I hate paying more than retail for something. But ta-da, y'all don't even know what I was talking about this whole time, but yeah. So it's this Burberry check cardigan. And I was gonna get this for my mom and she kept saying, no, I'll never wear it. So I just bought it for me. So I'm probably gonna wear it like twice and then give it to her. She's like, no, keep it for a few years and then give it to me. I'm like, okay. Another reason why I get a lot of stuff is because my mom literally won't let me buy her anything unless I'm buying something. Like I'll want something and I'll be like, okay, you have to get something too. I'm not getting what I want. And so she has to get something with me. Okay, this is my first time trying it on. I just want to be a cute little domesticated snack in this, you know. Sip my matcha tea, chill by my electric fireplace. You know what? I like this. I'm not crazy about like Burberry and the check. I used to love Burberry, but like they making a comeback. And this is really soft. This is made of merino wool, which is the really soft kind of wool. Like regular wool is itchy, it's scratchy. It ain't a good time. But this is nice. Covers the butt real good. Ooh, it's got pockets. I didn't even know it had pockets. Wow. High school me would be screaming right now. So I don't really buy very many like designer clothes. I don't know, I can't justify it. But I mean, I will for like a jacket or something I'll wear a lot and I'm hoping to wear this a lot. It seems very practical. Oh, but we are not done. There is more damage to be done. So I went to Gucci. I already opened these because I was so excited. And I got two things. I know that's unheard of. First one are these sunglasses. I don't know, I'm not crazy about Gucci sunglasses. And the last pair I got, you know, those pink heart ones with the sparkles, they were just so stupid. I never wore them. These are just so unique. Oh my God. I look like a Cartoon Network villain. Yes. Who is she? I just look so evil and unapproachable. I love it. Amazing. They're just so unique. And Evan even liked them. He never likes anything from Gucci. Like, he's very picky about stuff that's designer because he just thinks it's a waste of money and it's stupid. But I like unique things, okay? Speaking of stupid, I got a hair tie thing. Lately, I've just been wigging it because I'm trying to grow my hair back. And some days I just want to wear like a hairband thing like this and just put my hair up. I think it would be cute. I know you're not supposed to wear it like this, but is this a look or is it not a look? Comment below. I can't get over these glasses. Oh, by the way, this is silk. So it's weird because they're the same price. There's ones that aren't silk and this one is 100% silk. So good for your hair. And by the way, it's plush. You'll literally wear this as like a padded bra. That's how plush it is. All right, I've saved the best for last. I got not one, but two things from Chanel. Okay, so I know I was just like a slob when I went to this Chanel, but these employees were so dang rude. There was 3 of them there. 3 of them in a Chanel store the size of my room. I mean, the girl was fine, but the 2 guys there, they just like looked me up and down and were just like, flips, freshly highlighted hair. And he just made me feel so not welcome. So they have like a bunch of like hidden shelves where they hide all the bags. And I invited myself to like check out the store, like look through all the drawers and everything, because none of them were helping me. And I was asking them questions about stuff and they'd just be like, no, sorry, we don't have it, wait list. I was just like, okay, rude. And then I picked up a bag that I really liked and I was just looking at it, okay? And then she was like, that one's $5,000. I'm like, okay, did I ask? Anyways, your girl had to upgrade her favorite French YouTuber. So, you know what? I had to do it. Favorite French YouTuber game. Leveled up. Evan says it's really ugly, but I think it's really cute because it has like a band and it has like an embroidered logo on it. I mean, I don't really care about the logo. I just like the hat. I like the color. It's cute. She was like, it has a really cool swirl at the top. Yeah, so what I liked about this is that it was like a band. I've never seen a beret that has like a band and then the beret. So I think it would sit so much much better on my head. So I can be your favorite French YouTuber more often. Oh, I just realized how silky smooth this box is. That Chanel packaging hit different. The last one. Is this the last one? Oh no, I'm so sad. I want more things to unbox. Okay, so it's really weird how they do the ties because I had to like retie this after I opened it, you know, to take a peek. Oh no, and now I can't get it off. So my friend wanted these stickers that they give you. Oh, rude. This bag is for me and I freaking love this. Look at this. Tell me if you like it or if it's ugly. Be honest, because I love this and I think you can get so much wear out of this. It's kind of like a woven material. I don't have any bag that's like woven like this. It has a long strap and this is like the perfect size for me. It fits my phone. It's got a canvas interior, which I like. I think that's pretty unique. I don't have anything like this. Gold hardware, because your girl only does gold hardware. I feel like this bag is kind of lopsided. Am I the only one that sees that? That one side goes down more than the other? But like, how cute would this be with like a sweater? And you can wear like a black sweater or a white sweater or a gray sweater. But like, I wear a lot of black and white. Most of what I wear is black and white. So I think this would be perfect for like fall time vibes, cold weather vibes. Yes, I love it. It kind of looks dumb from far away, but I just like it up close. The texture is just everything. Delicious. I could eat it up. And it's got a little pooch, like me, but it's in the bag. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do a more affordable haul next, make sure you hit that like button in the face, because I bought some stuff and I haven't taken it out of the bag yet because I want to show you. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.